Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. Here we got a 4-part series. We're going to do a deep dive into wrapping edges and everything that you need to know about edge wrapping with paint protection film. So in this first video, it's going to be a bit of an introduction. I'm going to talk about what we're all going to go over throughout this series. But in this first video, I'm going to go over what edges can and cannot be wrapped, and then just setting the expectations with your customers ahead of time as far as what edges you are going to be wrapping on their vehicle when you're doing their installation. So we got this 2016 Chevy Impala here. I wrapped the full hood on it. Now this hood, very easy hood to wrap all the edges around. So we're gonna be wrapping the edges on the hood of this Chevy Impala. Now everything will be able to be wrapped minus this back corner. This is too hard of an edge, or too sharp of an edge I should say, to properly wrap that with paint protection film. And these are things I like to go over with my customers before I do their PPF installs, just to kind of let them know what to expect. So for example, the owner of this vehicle, I let them know that this back corner, there will be a little bit of exposed paint there, and that we will not be able to properly wrap that due to the thickness of the PPF. Same with the fenders. You know, we can wrap everything minus that back corner, or that sharp corner right there. And then between the A-pillar and the fender over here, the best that we're gonna be able to do is just get up to the very top. We won't actually be able to wrap inside there. Same with if we were gonna be doing the A-pillar, it would be very hard to properly wrap inside of there. Now, if we go over here on the vehicle, the doors, for example, this front facing edge, this would be a hard, very hard edge to wrap. And I would never bother wrapping this edge unless the customer is willing to pay for the time and the headaches that it's gonna cause to get that properly wrapped. I would just stop the paint protection film right up at that edge and not even bother wrapping it. Same with this fender. I would stop over here as well too, right along that edge. Sometimes you're able to pop these doors open, and we'll try that right now. So for example, on this one, we actually do have a pretty good edge in there that we can wrap. So I'm gonna take the PPF and I'm gonna wrap around that edge just a little bit, because there's a nice lip for the PPF to grab onto. So a lot of the things when you're talking with your customers about your paint protection film installations, everybody wants to have wrapped edges. And if they're not asking about it, you as the installer should be just automatically giving wrapped edges. It just provides a much cleaner looking installation and provides a whole lot more protection, and it just looks better on the vehicle. Okay, so that's the end of part 1, our introduction. I hope you guys stick around for part 2. Part 2, we're gonna talk about how far you should be wrapping when you are wrapping your edges. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you guys liked it, hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment down below with your thoughts and opinions, and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.